Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Monopolists using perfect price discrimination changed the market game entirely. We will quickly analyze how this affects efficiency and surplus to find our correct answer. In perfect price discrimination, the monopolist charges every single buyer their maximum willingness to pay. This means the demand curve effectively becomes the marginal revenue curve for the entire firm. This eliminates deadweight loss and expands output to the socially optimal level where price equals marginal cost. Total surplus is maximized because every mutually beneficial trade in the market occurs. While consumer surplus is transferred entirely to the producer, allocative efficiency actually improves. That makes option A our final winner for this tricky economics question. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and trust the given definitions of total economic surplus.